almost 6 years back, we launched the cover of the book in British Parliament. Can you imagine?
This book the name is English. It's not the mixture of English and English. It is English has been taught through Hindi cinema, and it has all been taught through idioms and phrases.
Everyone, let's congratulate our dear Ritu Soni Bhagat, Rupa Publications.
For a child to say Australia is in the south, where is the south for a child? And Iceland is in the north. There's no relationship, there's no way of understanding. You put it on a map, it all falls into place. Now that's what Ritu has done with this book. She has put it all into place. She's brought together idioms which normally mean nothing to us.
English, like favorite to my heart because of for Sri Devi, English.
I have never seen a book like this ever. I'm also a reader, but never seen a book like this. It's a unique product, it's a piece of art, and it has gone into the history of publishing books. My special thanks to Rupa Publication, who has gone out of way to see to it that something like this must be published and must be given to the masses for their day-to-day affairs, and for it's a collector's item. Let me put that way. And with all these words, I once again congratulate Ritu Bhagat for giving such a wonderful baby to the country of India.
अखलाक के कदमों में कभी कलंदर नहीं गिरता, टूटे गर सितारा तो भी ज़मीं पर नहीं गिरता। अरे गिरते हैं बड़े शौक से समंदर में दरिया, मगर किसी दरिया में समंदर नहीं गिरता। तो ये वो समंदर है, ये किताब।
An enthusiastic Pakistani fan hung around Hema Malini's bungalow for over a week to catch a glimpse of her, and then what he did was the shock of her life for Hema ji. You have to read the story to know about it. So next.
Like when I started learning English, she was the one who taught me. She's my teacher, right? So she always taught me through these idioms and phrases and everything. So the concept per se was not new, but yeah, when she told me she was gonna write a book about it, I think it was very overwhelming. But again, I mean, because I've seen the book start from scratch and being here today, it was all worth it. So feeling very good.
RITU Ritu. Your name speaks about it. Research, information, technically fit and under limited conditions.